Good afternoon, San Antonio. I'm your student meteorologist, Khalil Ray. And right now, well, it doesn't look too bad outside. We've been dealing with that humidity. 72 is the dew point, 84 is your air temperature. But let me show you how it looks across the rest of the area, and then I'll get to the real story that we've been talking about lately. So right now, current temperatures are in the low to mid 80s, 91 already in Eagle Pass, 84 here in San Antonio at the airport, 87 up in New Braunfels. But that is not how it really feels. I talked about those dew points being really elevated. Now, this is how it actually feels in terms of our area. Look at that. 93 is the heat index in San Antonio, 95 in New Braunfels. You don't even want to drive out to Eagle Pass right now with how hot it is. And that's not even going to be the hottest that we're going to see over the next couple of days. We're expecting some really, and I mean dangerous heat to come into effect tomorrow. But let's take a break from talking about the heat right now and talk about the tropics. Right now, we have the newly named tropical storm Arthur just formed this morning. Winds at about 45 miles an hour. Not going to see any effects over in San Antonio, but areas, especially towards East Texas like Houston and up towards the Louisiana coast, you could be looking at a lot of rainfall, which could be causing some dangerous flooding over the next couple of days. Now, here's what I've been talking about in terms of the nasty heat that we're seeing. You saw how we saw 106 in Eagle Pass earlier today. They're expected to be 114 tomorrow afternoon. That's how it's supposed to feel. And they're not even going to be the hottest. Look at Cotulla, 119. Overall, my advice for you tomorrow is if you have any outdoor plans, limit them. Make sure you stay in the shade, get plenty of water, or just don't go outside at all. You can always cancel your plans for another day. Because of that extreme heat, we have an extreme heat warning for areas including Bexar County, Comal, Guadalupe, back towards Medina. All of us expecting heat indices well into the triple digits, not just triple digits, but upwards to 110. And as you saw in Cotulla, up to 119, 120. Areas in the hill country, you're not exactly spared from the heat either. We're still expecting it to be really hot, just not as hot as areas a little bit to the east and south of you guys. You could think that elevation for all of that as well. Now, in terms of our service analysis, this heat thankfully is not going to last very long, as we are expecting another disturbance to drop down from North Texas. That's going to give us some rain chances later on this weekend, especially going into Saturday. That should really help cool us down just a little bit, but not going to stay cool forever. It is June in South Texas. You can only be thankful for that coolness ever so much. Now, in terms of today, expect temperatures, air temperatures. Now I have to go ahead and clarify this. Only the air temperature is going to be 92 degrees by 4 o'clock. Could see that feels like temperature possibly into the triple digits. Now, not heat advisory or extreme heat level like we're expecting tomorrow, but it's still going to be quite hot outside. So as I mentioned before, make sure you drink plenty of water and get some shade. And if your parents try to tell you to go cut the grass between 12 o'clock and 8 o'clock tomorrow, tell them that your meteorologist Khalil Ray told them it is not a good idea, because it's going to be really hot outside. And then Saturday we have that rain chance coming in, and then going to go straight back to the heat early next week. So of course, more weather updates on this intense heat. Stay with us here at UIW Weather.